Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nur Fatihah binti Muhammad Zaidi, and today me and my friend Nitya, we are going to tell you guys about what is dress code for interview. Okay, so first things first, let's see what is actually a dress code. So dress code is basically a written or more oftenly unwritten rules with regard to clothing. Okay, clothing like other humans' physical appearances that has a social significance. Okay, with different rules and also expectations being valid depending on its own occasion and also circumstances. Okay, and also dress code, it is also the symbolic indications to different social ideas, where it also including the social class, cultural identity, attitude towards comforts, traditions, and also religious or political affiliations. So now we can see what is actually a dress code, right? Now I'm gonna tell you guys what is dress code for interview. Okay, so maybe you guys are wondering what is actually a dress code for interview. So now I'm gonna tell you guys. So dress code for interview is actually very depending on the type of job that you are going to apply and the company that you're going to have the interview. So it is very depend to the company itself. Okay, and dress code means how and what are you going to wear. Now maybe some of you guys are wondering what are the type of interview that we have in nowadays. So the first one is screening interview, panel interview, traditional interview, lunch or dinner interview, informational interview, behavior interview, video interview, and also group interview. So that's all the types of interview that we have to know, and each of the interview itself has their own types of dress code that we have to wear if we have the interview there. So here are some tips that you can use on how to dress the best when you're having an interview. First, wear attire that have natural colors and make sure to stay away from any patterns. Second, you may find an interview video on Google or YouTube to see what's the current trend on how people are going to dress the best for an interview. Third tips, you can stay up to date for the current style of how people dress to an interview. Fourth, you may do some research on the industry that you are going to work to see and determine what are you going to wear the best for your attire. And the last one, you have to stay comfortable and do not wear something that can make you sweat easily.
Hello, my name is Nitya. Now, I would like to talk about type of dress code for interview. There are several types of interview attire such as professional business interview attire, non-professional business casual interview attire, casual interview attire, college job interview attire, and last but not least, internship interview attire. So, let us proceed with professional business interview attire. Professional business interview attire consists of, for men, this might mean a suit jacket and slacks with a shirt and tie or a sweater and button down. Meanwhile, for women, a blouse and dress pants or dress is appropriate. Next, I would like to talk about non-professional business casual interview attire. Business casual outfits are less formal than a suit, but they are also more professional and polished than a t-shirt and shorts or a sundress and sandals. For example, you might wear khakis and a polo shirt or button down. like to talk about casual interview attire. Rather than showing up in a black suit and dress, shoes, opt for something that is relaxed but also presentable. For example, relaxed fit khakis, dark wash jeans, and nice top. It is also suggested that you can go for neutral toned blouse or button shirt down, and you can go for casual leather and neutral colored chinos. Next, I would like to talk about college job interview attire. Clothing should be modest, simple, clean, and crisp. Avoid jeans, t-shirts, sneakers, and flip-flops. For boys, it is suggested that khaki pants, collared shirts, belt, and casual shoes. As for girls, dress, pants, nice blouse or sweater, and casual shoes are applicable. For accessories, bring a notebook and pen. Last but not least, for internship interview attire. As you see, for women, a light colored blazer or tailored blouse and cardigan is suggested. Meanwhile, they can also wear pair with cotton slacks or skirt. It is more comfortable, and style are for light colored clothing and light clothing is suggested. Now, I would like to talk about do's and don'ts for an interview attire. There are several things you should do when you're wearing an interview attire. Firstly, do get your outfit ironed and dry cleaned. Have your clothing looked as polished and professional as you are. Do accessorize. Jewelry and accessories offer a way to express yourself, but keep the bling to a minimum. Do polish your shoes. Take a tip from British Royals on this one. Don't show off your toes. Do wear makeup that makes you feel your best but is not overpowering. Best keep to natural shades. Keep yourself neat and tidy. And also have a fresh look. It is suggested that you can wear very light perfume or cologne because it will make you feel good. As for don'ts, there are several things you should not do when you are wearing an interview attire. Firstly, don't overdo your makeup. Don't bring huge bag. Next, don't wear bright color attire. Last but not least, don't wear very high heeled shoes because it's unsuitable. Thank you, and I hope that this video can help you to learn more about interview attire. Thank you and have a nice day.